This is Tim
and Mike
at Arizona Outdoor Junkies. Today we're going to install a bumper from Super ATV on the 2022 KRX. The set comes with the bumper, brackets, appropriate hardware. The tools you'll need: 3/8" ratchet, extension, a 14mm, 12mm, and a 10mm socket. We'll also need a 15mm wrench. And I'm always use my favorite tool, an impact driver with a 3/8 drive. And Mike's going to take over for the start of the install.
here I am. We're going to need this bracket, these 2 bolts, and a number 12 socket with the ratchet. Alright guys, we have the little bracket that's inside here behind the bumper. And what you're going to do is you're going to take this bracket here. I'm sticking it through a little bit so it can kind of help guide me. Stick my fingers through the front of the grill and get this in here and get this started a little. I would use an extension, but it's too a little too tight in here. Just get this one started. Kind of doing it blind because I can't have my head in there and let you guys see at the same time. Alright, got those 2. And like I said, you're going to need a number 12 with your ratchet. I'm just going to get in here. Let's get this ratchet on there. And there it is. Passenger side's done.
Okay, next step is you're going to need a 16mm wrench, which is a 15, believe it or not, and my impact driver, my favorite tool. I do have a toe bracket on here already that I'm going to remove. Bolts pass through. Okay, Mike, why don't you give me a hand with that? It does help having a little better person to hold it for you. Now I'm going to reuse this toe ring that came from Kawasaki, because if I ever have to pull this thing out for some reason, I don't want to pull on the bumper. Alright, we just got them to hold it to begin with. So I got the smaller bolts that I will need. 10mm ratchet or socket. Started under here. They are pre-threaded on your Kawasaki, so that's kind of nice. I got that there. I'm going to put the nuts on the back side of these bolts. The other one. I do like to cheat, so I'm going to use my impact driver. That was the 10mm. Then I got the 16 with the 15 wrench. The back side. Pretty easy. Okay, we only got 2 bolts left. Mike, you want to grab them?
I'm getting them. Alright, we got these 2 number 14 bolts. We're going to need the ratchet and the number 14 socket. Alright guys, what we're going to do is we're going to take this in the front. We're going to lift this up a little bit get our holes lined up, make sure we're good to go.
It does help if you leave all the rest of the bolts just slightly loose.
Yes, you want to leave some of them loose. And I already have it started. I don't know if you guys can you guys see that good?
And get an idea.
And you just get it finger tight. You take your ratchet, get in there. Make sure that you get these pretty tight. They don't fall out on you. Not too tight where you bust your knuckles, kind of like that. All right.
So that's pretty much it, and we're going to go around and tighten all the rest of the bolts. All right, thanks for watching this installation of the Super ATV front bumper. This is Tim.
And Mike?
From Arizona Outdoor Junkies. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.